What's good everyone and welcome to the channel. I have gone and bought myself probably the cheapest BMW 435D in the country. Now being so cheap, it of course has its problems. So without waffling too much, let's cue the BTEC B-roll and let me show you my new car. Right then, here we have my new BMW 435D. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a problem. The wheel has fallen off. Take a look inside there. Looks quite gruesome, doesn't it? Now, before I take the wheel off, let's take a quick walk around of this car. Initially I thought this was dark blue, but it's actually carbon black. So it's black with a tinge of blue in the paint. Now it is a 4 Series Grand Coupe, so it's got 4 doors and a really big boot. As you can see walking around the car, the body of the car is actually pretty good, and the brunt of the damage is in the suspension and wheels, as you can see here. Let's take a quick look and see if there's any goodies in the boot. Oh, the electronic tailgate is not working, so I'll need to look into that. Doesn't seem to be anything in here other than the load cover and what looks to be an empty pack of gloves and a plastic bag. Let's see if the first aid kit is in here. Nope, absolutely nothing. I guess they needed that for when they had this accident. And let's take a look underneath at the hidden storage. Nope, absolutely nothing. Just a bunch of leaves and dirt. This car is going to need a really good clean. Right then, I've got the car jacked up. Let's take a look behind this wheel before I take it off. Wow, this is literally hanging on by a thread, and everything back here is damaged. Wow, that looks really bad. The drive shaft has not just broken off, it's ripped off. Brake pipe is off. The drop link literally just fell off. It was sitting right on top of the wishbone. I have taken the wheel off to get a better look at all the damage. Yeah, literally don't know what this car hit, but this wheel has literally ripped off every arm under here. The whole wheel hub has completely snapped right off the shock absorber. The lower arms are still in place and just the ball joints have broken off, so it must have been a really bad impact. This brake line has completely snapped off as well, and the head of which is still in the caliper, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to get that out. But looking at it, it gives me, I guess, a good indication of what this needs to repair. So I'm gonna go away and look for all these parts that I need and hopefully get this repaired in the next video. And I'm hoping that there aren't any hidden surprises waiting for me when I take all these parts off. So I think I will end the video here, and hopefully see you guys in the next one when I make a start at repairing this car. Wish me luck and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.